In this short video, I'm going to explain how you can send a ScheduleOnce contact into your HubSpot account. So the first thing to get started is you want to make sure that you actually submit a test time before setting up this integration. We're going to be using Zapier to make this happen, so make sure that you test this out first just by doing a fake test schedule. So you can say something like this. And the reason why I want to do this first before we do anything else is because when we're setting up our Zap, we need to make sure that we test it out. If you're not familiar with Zapier, do not worry. I will walk you through everything, but just make sure that you do this step so that when we get to the part of setting up Zapier, you won't have any issues. Okay, so once you have set that up, click on done. It's going to finalize. Boom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Zapier. If you do not have a Zapier account, just create one. It's relatively cheap for what it does, and you can do a lot of different things that can automate your business and your processes so that you don't have to really rely on manual work or VAs or whatever person you have doing those tasks that are not automated. So once you have Zapier, you're going to look for ScheduleOnce. So just type in ScheduleOnce, and then what you're going to do is for the trigger event is trigger scheduled booking. Okay, click continue. And then you're going to want to connect your ScheduleOnce account. So to do this, they're going to give you some details that you need to do. You just need to go in your ScheduleOnce account, click on the things that they require you to click on, and then you can connect your specific account to Zapier, okay? So I already have my account connected, which is why it's not. But if I were to connect a new account, you'll see what it looks like. It will say, click to get your key. So you click on that link and then you enter your email for your ScheduleOnce account, and that's all you need to do. Then you click on continue, and then you're going to click on test trigger. Now this is what I was saying previously, like you want to fill out a test booking, because when you test this trigger you want to get some information. So you can see here this test booking came through. So this is the one we just did, so we're all good there. We're going to click on continue. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to look for HubSpot. So if you're not familiar with Zapier, what Zapier allows you to do is it allows you to connect external apps together. So inherently, you're not really able to use ScheduleOnce with HubSpot, but because we can use Zapier, we're able to connect the two apps so that they can speak to each other, so that we can send data from ScheduleOnce into HubSpot. Now this works with tons and tons of different apps. So if you have an application that you're using and you want it to connect to another app, or you want it to do something that you cannot do, then you might want to look into Zapier and see if it can be done, because there's a lot of things that you can do with Zapier. All right, so let's continue with this video. So let's go here and select our HubSpot account. We're going to choose the action, and the action that we're going to choose is create contact, because we want to create a contact for when someone books a call. Before we dive into the rest of the video, we like to thank our video sponsor, Cartfuel. Cartfuel is the easiest and quickest way for you to accept one-time and recurring payments in HubSpot. All you need to do is connect your Stripe or PayPal account, configure your payment form by adding countdown timers, coupons, or order bumps, then copy and paste the code they provide you onto any site, including WordPress or HubSpot pages. Did we mention Cartfuel has one-click upsells? That's right, your customers can order more products without having to re-enter their credit or debit card with a single click. But you want to know what's the best part? When a sale occurs with Cartfuel, your customer's name, email address, phone number, and products they purchase will teleport into HubSpot. It's like magic. This means you can trigger workflows to boost customer retention and decrease refund rates. All this and more with no custom code needed. Try Cartfuel for free for 14 days by clicking the link in the description or comment section of this video. All right, let's get back to the content. So we're going to click on continue, and here we're going to choose our HubSpot account. If you don't have your HubSpot account connected, just click on connect your account, and then you'll see a similar pop-up where it's going to tell you to do some things, and all you need to do is select the account that you want to connect here. I already have my account connected, so I'm going to select that account, and then once this loads, I'm going to click on continue. And then from here, what we're going to do is some mapping. So what we need to do is map the information from this step number 1 to step number 2. So how do we do that? It's very simple. All you need to do is find the fields that you want to match. So this is actually a lot of options here. So what I'm going to do is do Control F, and I'm just going to type in name. Okay. And then you can see it will show up all the fields where name is present. It will find that for us. So contact information, first name, and then all we need to do is click on it and then map it. So customer first name is that, right? And all you need to do is click out, and then last name here. So let's do the last name, click. That's all you need to do. And then for the phone number, we'll type phone, and phone number. So see more options, phone number. It's actually the mobile phone, so let's actually put that in the right spot. I don't think it matters, but we want to be consistent. And then the last one is email. So we'll just find email really quickly. So here we go. And we just do that. Now we're done. That's all the fields we want to map. If you want to map more fields, you just have to find those fields that you want to map together. But for us, we only need to map those 4 fields. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on continue. And now you can see it says send contact to HubSpot. And now we're going to test this. So click on test and review. And it's basically going to send the data from ScheduleOnce to HubSpot and create that contact for us. And you can see it's been successful because the contact was sent to HubSpot just now. Now, if we go into our HubSpot account, we will see this contact. But before we do that, I do want to let you know that if you have a contact already inside of HubSpot, it's not going to send a contact from ScheduleOnce to HubSpot. So it's only for new contacts that are not inside of HubSpot. So let's go check our contacts here, and let's just go to contacts, and here we go. It was successful. So now this contact has been created. My email's there. The phone number should be there. So let's view all properties and see if that made it through. I'll search phone. There we go. Mobile phone number. There we go. All right. So then the contact has made it successfully from ScheduleOnce into HubSpot using Zapier. So if you want more videos like this, leave a comment down below. I would love to know what other videos you would like to know, what you can do with Zapier and HubSpot. And if you have any questions, leave that in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe, give us a like, and also don't forget to turn your Zap on. That's a good important note. Make sure that it's on so that it works, obviously. All right, so that's how you connect ScheduleOnce to HubSpot. We'll see you guys in the next video.